Hi, today I'll walk you through how our intelligent building management system helps organizations monitor, optimize and reduce their energy consumption while improving overall operational efficiency. Every building consumes energy through multiple systems like HVAC, lighting, production equipment, water treatment plants and many other assets. Without proper monitoring, it's difficult to know where energy is being wasted. And that's where NSP's Intelligent Building Management System comes in. Our process starts with a detailed technical energy audit. During the audit, we identify all the available energy resources such as grid, solar, generator and UPS. We also study HVAC systems, water treatment plants, refrigeration units, kitchen equipment, laundry systems and any other major energy consuming assets within the facility. Based on the audit findings, we design a customized intelligent building management solution. The objective is to continuously monitor energy consumption, identify inefficiencies, and optimize operations automatically. The core solution is the NSP IoT Edge platform. It collects data from various field devices such as energy meter, flow meter, VFDs, sensors, and air conditioning interfaces. All this information is processed and made available through dashboard, reports, analytics, and automated control. One of the biggest energy consumers in most buildings is HVAC. Our HVAC Optimization module supports chillers, AHUs, FCUs, VRF systems, duct AC, and split ACs. The platform intelligently controls these systems based on schedules, occupancy, or ambient temperature. Let's look at the energy management dashboard. Here you can monitor voltage, current, power consumption, energy consumption, power factor, apparent power, demand, and load trends all in real time. Historical reports and trend analysis help facility managers make informed decisions and improve efficiency. Beyond monitoring, the platform can also send controls command back to the equipment. This enables intelligent automation, reduces manual intervention, and helps achieve measurable energy savings. That's a quick overview of how NSP's Intelligent Building Management System helps organizations improve energy efficiency and sustainability. If you would like to know more, feel free to get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.